In this video, we're going to be using Cricut's new Infusible inks to make a t-shirt in less than 10 minutes. Coming up next.
Hi everyone, I'm Diette.
And I'm Jasmine, and welcome to Turtle Creativity,
where we make crafting and crocheting
easy.
If you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe to us.
Also, hit that bell below so you can stay in the know.
Jasmine, I'm so excited.
I'm more than excited, okay?
We are excited because today we get to use the Cricut Infusible Ink products. We're going to be making a t-shirt.
Ooh, a t-shirt.
Now, for this project, you're going to need the Cricut Infusible pens and markers.
You'll also need some heat-resistant tape,
a blank t-shirt,
and a Cricut EasyPress.
Now, you're also going to need some laser paper as well. But let's go back to tell them about the EasyPress.
So the EasyPress is one of Cricut's greatest tools, but we have the EasyPress 1. So with the infusible ink, markers, and pens, they recommend an EasyPress that can reach 400 degrees. The Cricut EasyPress 1 does not do that, but with a little more time, we can achieve the same results.
Yes, so let's go ahead and dive into that now.
Hey, do you like what you see so far? Then thumbs up this video.
Alright everyone, so there are two ways in which you can use your Cricut Infusible Ink products to design your t-shirt. The very first way is to take your laser paper and freehand a wonderful design for your t-shirt.
The second way is to go into your Cricut design space, find an image that you love, and have your Cricut maker do it for you.
Absolutely. And that is actually the choice that we have selected. Today, we're going to be putting our turtle onto our t-shirt, and we're going to color the turtle in. Now, for that project, we have already have our turtle within our design space, and we have it all ready to be drawn.
Wait.
Uh-oh.
Before we do anything, we have to make sure we mirror our image for all t-shirts and things that we wear because we don't want it facing backwards.
Absolutely. So definitely, very good tip is to always mirror your image when you're making t-shirts. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take the clear paper off of my mat. I'm going to go ahead and put my laser paper down, lining it up correctly.
And yes, we did say regular laser copy paper. That's what you need. That's what Cricut recommends.
We're going to go ahead and put that there, and I'm going to take one of my infusible ink markers, and I'm going to go ahead and put it into clamp A. I'm going to go ahead and load this, and the magic is going to begin.
Ooh. Now, while that's drawing, I want to show everybody this symbol right here. That is the Cricut compatible with Infusible Ink symbol. So this is going to be really important when you're looking for t-shirts, more markers, heat-resistant tape. You want to make sure they have this new symbol on them. Also, with these markers, Cricut has Infusible Ink paper that works just like vinyl. That also has the Infusible Ink symbol. Question for you. What Cricut design would you put on a t-shirt? Let us know in the comments below. Now, back to the video.
All right, here is a picture of our turtle. Now, for the next step, Jasmine is going to go on to coloring the turtle in.
Okay.
The fun part of the Infusible Ink product. This is what I love is because you're able to color your image in, and this Infusible Ink will adhere to the fabric of your t-shirt. All right, here is the turtle that Jasmine colored. Okay, I'm just gonna cut some of...
Don't cut my paperwork now. Thank you.
Now we're gonna prepare the shirt. This shirt is a Cricut compatible shirt that is for the Infusible Ink. So we're going to take it off of the paper, and this is the shirt that we have.
Ooh, that's nice.
And we're going to go ahead and put it on the heat mat. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and take one of the laser papers, and I'm going to put it inside the shirt so that we don't have any bleed through effect. All right, so now what we're going to do is definitely we'd like to do a couple of 2 or 3 fingers from the neck. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and put the turtle face down. Now that we have the turtle face down, we're going to go ahead and tape the turtle in place using Cricut's heat resistant tape. Now with our tape in place, we're ready to apply the heat.
Yay!
Now, we're going to put the timer on a minute, 60 seconds, because we want to add more heat than normal because our heat press does not get up to 400 degrees. Now, with applying the heat, the colors are going to become more vibrant and more bold. I'm so excited.
I'm excited too.
All
Okay,
right.
I'm so excited.
I'm excited.
Okay.
Okay, so are you ready for the reveal?
1, 2.
Wow!
Look at our turtle.
Here is the finished product. Now, as you can see, the colors is definitely more vibrant than it was when we first colored. That green is popping right off the page, and it is infused straight into our t-shirt. Not too bad for our very first try. What do you think, Jasmine?
No, I think this is good.
Now, if you want to be in tune for more Cricut tutorials, then definitely click here. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!